Welcome. This channel is about helping you with your online venture. The promise of making money from home through a website, a YouTube channel, a blog, and so forth is totally true. You can make a comfortable extra income and even fire your boss. All you need to do is learn how. So let us help. Internet Marketer Training by George Pierce proudly presents.
Welcome. This video is about crafting your email welcome letter for your new subscribers. We will be taking a close look at how to make your welcome email. We will take it step by step, so even if you are a beginner, you will be able to follow and stay with me for your bonus tips. There is real science behind an email welcome letter. It is a combination of psychology, marketing principles, and communication strategy. So let's take a look at what they are and why they work so effectively. 1. First impressions matter. When someone subscribes, your welcome email is the first official interaction between them and you or your company or your brand. Psychologically, people form judgments quickly, so a positive, well-crafted welcome email sets the tone for future interactions. 2. Building trust through personalization. Personalization creates a sense of connection. Using your subscriber's name and/or tailoring content to their interests fosters trust. Studies show personalized emails have higher open and engagement rates. 3. Reinforcement of decision. Subscribers might experience buyer's remorse, even with something free. Your welcome email reassures them they made the right choice by outlining benefits, setting expectations, and perhaps offering a small reward such as a free resource or discount. 4. Engagement. Humans love positive reinforcement. A cheerful, friendly tone in a welcome email triggers dopamine, which associates your brand with a pleasant experience. Call to action buttons, like check out our most popular videos, engage their curiosity and prompt them to take that next step. 5. Timing and consistency. A welcome email sent immediately after subscribing takes advantage of the peak interest moment, making it more likely your recipient will open and engage with it. It sets the precedent for your email tone and frequency. Next, you will want to pay close attention as I share an outline that you can customize and use for your welcome emails. At or near the top of your email, include an image, one that will enhance your email. This is an example from Mr. P's Music Fans. As you see, the image is showing someone who is enjoying great music. It is a welcome email, so consider a header that says, "Welcome." Follow that with something like your subscriber's first name, followed by, "It is great to have you with us, thanks for joining." Then welcome to the name of your company, list, group, or whatever is a good fit. You are seeing a snapshot of a new list which is for Mr. P's Music Fans. So, first name, "It is great to have you with us, thanks for joining Mr. P's Music Fans." We believe that music is fun and memorable. You can follow your greeting with, "Let the blank begin." Fill in the blank with whatever is applicable. Using this example, "Let the music begin." The next lines are, "Welcome to the family, Mr. P's Music Fans. You're officially part of a vibrant community of music enthusiasts who live and breathe great tunes." Notice the use of the words family and community. Just as importantly, you want to share with your new subscribers what it is that they are joining. So you can follow it up with what they have to look forward to by being a subscriber and in future emails. List of the benefits of their being a subscriber. Such as, here's what you can look forward to. Exclusive behind-the-scenes content with Mr. P. Early access to new releases and special playlists. Fun contests, giveaways, and interactive events. Insider tips and stories about the music we all love. Be sure to add what is called a CTA, which stands for Call to Action. Your call to action can be a link to your website, your YouTube channel, your Facebook group, a video, a sales page, a landing page, a free offer, and so on. Using the same example. Make sure you don't miss a beat. Click here to visit our Facebook group. Click here for our YouTube channel. End with a positive close. Such as looking forward to all the fun you two will be having, all the money that they will be saving, all the money you will make together, etc. And now, it is time for your bonus. Your first tip is called visual appeal. Craft emails with clean, attractive designs and engaging visuals. Second is to be creative. For example, hook your new subscriber with a playful subject line like, "Welcome to the fun side of making money." Third is storytelling. Storytelling is a proven winner. Keep it short and simple. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you again in future videos.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.